How to cancel an Instacart subscription. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel your subscription in Instacart. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. You want to simply open up Instacart. If you are on app as well, the process is similar. I'll be showing you here on the browser. Simply open up Instacart. First open up your browser, and on browser you can search in for Instacart, and you want to head into instacart.com. Now here you can see on instacart.com you'll get an interface somewhat like this. And here you want to make sure you're logged into your account. In my case, I'm logged in. What you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you do so, here you'll get various options here. Now what you want to do is you can see your orders, your list, your receipts, your account settings, you can see there. And if you scroll down further below, you can see various other options as well. Now you want to simply head into your account settings option, and once here you can see your orders, auto orders, and account settings and various options. Now what you want to do is you want to simply tap on Instacart Plus icon there. Now once you tap on Instacart Plus icon there, you'll be able to view your membership here, and at the bottom right corner of the page you'll be able to see the option cancel membership. Now I don't have any membership. You can see it's asking me for free trial, but if you do have membership, at the bottom right corner of your screen, if you scroll down below, you'll be able to see the cancel membership option, and simply tap on continue to cancel and select a reason for leaving from the drop down list. Simply tap on save and you'll be able to cancel it. So this way you can cancel an Instacart subscription. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.